A classless society. Whichever country one goes to, there are class divisions. These classes are based on many factors like religion, wealth, caste, and color. Even habits have created classes. In certain countries, they speak of the northerner and southerner. Even in the major religious religions of the world, we find class distinctions. Among the Christians, for example, there are the Catholics and the Protestants, and there again are they are divided into a number of denominations. There are also divisions among the Muslims and Hindus. Wealth naturally divides man into two classes, namely the haves and the have nots. In certain religion, notably among the Hindus, the caste system is very rigid. There is color bar even in an advanced country like USA. So we find the society perforce has been divided into a number of classes. To have a classless society in a modern is a modern idea. Thanks to the communist philosophy, the idea of the classless society is being talked of and in some cases even worked out. To understand what it is, a few words about the communist society will not be out of place. There they deny the existence of any religion. For them, the state is the religion and the ultimate authority. Production and distribution are completely controlled by the government, but in fact by the Communist Party. They see to it that no other party raises its head. All the needs the people are looked after by the government, and so there is no need for class. But ideals apart, in practice, it is rather the party that the government that controls everything. Party bosses like demigods, when they deny to accept any religion, communism has become their religion. The Communist Manifesto, their Bible, and Lenin, their savior. The party men control everything, and highly technical people are in the good books of the party. The peasant continues to be poor in spite of so much propaganda. So, in the communist country, the party is the monolith with its own high priest and people as serfs. So, one can conclude that a classless society is impossible in the near future. Man, with his difference in talent, intelligence, efficiency, and health, are bound to be divided by class. In a classless society, there should be an attempt to abolish all classes. Classes should not exist. Society must be conducted in such a way that the evils of classes are liquidated. Privileges should be enjoyed by everyone. Society must aim at social justice where all will enjoy the equality of opportunity and will be equal before law. By wisely handling taxation laws, the accumulation of wealth by certain individuals can be avoided. Thus, the evils of classes can be overcome. It is clear a classless society is only an utopian dream which can never be achieved.